We don't just restore the past, we forge its future. She looks brand new. Exceptional work, everyone. Flawless finish. This pressure is absolutely perfect. Looks brand new and runs even better. Look at that finish, completely bare steel. Mounting points are back to factory spec, ready for the field. Look at that mirror finish. It is absolutely flawless. Yeah, it is way better than when it came out of the factory. The level of detail here is just incredible.
You can actually see the original tool marks from 1924.
We did it. This is truly museum quality work.
The finish on the teeth is flawless. A toast to the team.
Look at that finish. It is like a liquid mirror. That belongs in a museum.
She looks brand new!
Specs are perfect. Ready for service.
Confirmed. Pressure ratings and certifications are all in order. The restoration is a complete success. It meets all pipeline specifications.
Look at that run out, absolutely perfect.
Yeah.
The journals are flawless, better than new.
This rotor is certified for high-speed service.
Look at the pitting here on the blade edges.
That erosion is severe, and we'll need to weld and resurface the entire area.
The geometry is perfect. Weld quality verified.
Excellent work, team. This runner is going to set new records for efficiency.
Look how smoothly it moves.
What an incredible display of engineering. Truly earth-shaking.
The concentricity on the journal is flawless. Yeah.
And the surface roughness is exactly where we need it.
I just confirmed the dimensions right here. All right, pull it up. Easy, easy. It's moving, watch your feet. The clearance is exactly within tolerance for the mains.
Confirmed. Everything is precisely to spec.
Specifications verified. The mirror finish on the race is perfect. Agreed. This hub is certified and ready for service.
The precision on these teeth is incredible. We really nailed the geometry. Okay.
And the bore is running perfectly true now. Smooth rotation, hydraulics are spot on. She's certified.
Ready for delivery, boss.
Each groove tells a story of the ships that once tied here, a silent testament to our maritime heritage.